So of course, we all know that this future is all about IP. But I believe that this will be a very long journey, and an ideal world is not a world without broadcast. It's a world where an intelligent use of the unique characteristics of both broadcast and broadband networks will finally enable a new wave of innovation and growth for both broadcast and broadband stakeholders. So DVB is creating a hybrid experience where IP services will be delivered seamlessly through a number of access networks. This means that IP services can be delivered through classic DVB networks or any form of broadband networks. That could be, for instance, 5G or a standard fiber connection or any type. So it's a journey, and we'll get there through hybrid networks and seamless hybrid experience based on the overall DVB-I package. This is DVB's next mandate, to build on its success that we all know, to again bring together the industry into a consensus and tackle this next big move. And this move is about IP and unification. And to get there, our rise to that future IP-centric but hybrid and unified media delivery landscape, there's a number of underpinning requirements on which our members are focusing. An important one is to ensure commonalities on the service layer, regardless of how the content gets to people. Also key is a unified and simplified user interface that offers a broadcast-like experience that aggregates all content and results in the consumers being finally enabled to recognize the distribution bearer. Also, there must be agreement on an optimized streaming format and a mechanism that provides a way to scale broadband networks so that their reliability can be on par with broadcast. And there must be also a mechanism that allows service operators to offer personalized content to enhance viewers' engagement and thus also to secure their revenues. So there would be actually a much longer list, of course, but it's just to give you an idea of what's driving our current work, which is being implemented and that you have seen today. So now more concretely, all these general requirements are translating into specific solutions. At the center of all this is DVB-I, which is breaking down the barriers between broadcast and broadband worlds from the end user point of view, because it offers a means to integrate all kinds of services in an all-in-one service layer that will also ensure, for instance, that a 5G broadcast bearer can carry DVB-discovered services. DVB-I also allows operators to deploy common services across a much wider range of devices, and it allows to improve the visibility of their offerings, also to reduce the need for expensive dedicated integrations. So in that way, it's also the antidote to the issue of apps and video services fragmentation, which is, by the way, another key battleground for our industry. I think that we've heard quite a lot today about that, so there would be a lot to say, but I need to move on. So there's also this new native IP work that has been launched this year that focuses on a solution to deliver native IP streams over broadcast means. This is really important too. It's perfectly in line with DVB's overall direction. So for this purpose, a new group has been created to address the related market requirements. So I strongly encourage any organization with an interest in the future to join and contribute. Or if you're not a member, by the way, maybe it's time to consider it. If, like Google, you don't want to let the future be shaped without you, just join and be part of this big move. Now on the delivery mechanism itself, DVB-DASH is an optimized streaming format that also enables low latency and reduces the discrepancies between broadcast and broadband zapping times. As to DVB-MABR, it's a way to enrich and manage networks with the scalability and thus reliability of broadcast. Using combination with DVB-I service discovery, for instance, it can empower substantial optimization for OTT operators around the delivery of high-demand content. Finally, you've also seen some early implementations of the new DVB-TA specification that really offers new prospects for broadcasters because it gives a way to counter the revenue losses thanks to more impactful advertising campaigns. Also, it allows a way to offer personalized content, which is also a must in this internet age. And as you have heard also from Harmonic, there are new applications being added currently that will enable targeted advertising also for DVB-I services. So all those are hot topics for which our members are joining forces with a view to building this unified IP-centric world.